Hi, welcome back to AROMA dish. Today's dish is Kangkung Belacan. Firstly, we need to add cut slices onion into our wok. Next is the important paste, which is contain belacan, dry prawns, garlic and red chillies that we pounded it all together into rough paste. This mixture now goes into our wok. Sort it well, you will have a nice aroma. Then comes our kangkung, which cleaned, cut and washed. Stir it nicely. Add a bit water so that we can mix our kangkung nicely and evenly. Then add a pinch of salt. This is our belacan kangkung for today. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.